At first, the skin looks normal, but when we move closer, very close, the hidden buildup inside the pores slowly begins to appear. Let's look closer. Small blackheads scattered across the nose, clogged pores along the cheeks, tiny pimples forming near the jawline, a rough, uneven texture across the surface, oil sitting quietly in places it shouldn't be. Why does this happen? It's simple, really. Excess oil builds up, dead skin cells collect, dirt settles in, bacteria finds its way in, and slowly, the pores become blocked, the skin barrier weakens. Nothing dramatic, just small things adding up quietly, day after day. Today, we're gonna fix that, gently, step by step, pore by pore. This isn't about instant results, it's about calm, careful care that helps the skin look cleaner, smoother, and healthier over time. Step by step, step 1, gentle cleansing. A soft cleanser glides across the skin, slowly, carefully. Surface oils begins to break down, dirt lifts away. With every gentle motion, the skin feels a little cleaner, a little softer. Step 2, the second cleanse now, a deeper cleanse. This step removes what the first cleanse left behind, preparing the pores, getting the skin ready for real care. The surface already looks calmer. Step 3. Warm steam touches the skin gently. You can almost feel it. Soft warmth softening the buildup inside the pores. The skin relaxes. It feels ready. This is where the real work begins. Step 4. Smart exfoliation. No harsh scrubbing. No aggressive treatment. Just slow, gentle exfoliation. Dead skin cells lift away. Clogged pores start to loosen. The texture already feels smoother beneath the fingertips. Step 5. Targeted pimple care for the acne-prone areas. A calming, targeted treatment. Ingredients like salicylic acid gently work into the pores. Niacinamide helps balance and soothe. Simple care, nothing complicated. And now, the most satisfying part begins. Watch closely. Slow, controlled care moves across the stubborn, clogged areas, softening them little by little. The blackheads become less visible with each pass. The texture smooths out area by area. Nothing rushed, nothing forced, just calm, steady progress. Look at the change already forming. The congestion is fading, the pores look cleaner, the texture looks smoother, the skin feels lighter, and the face already looks a little fresher, a little more balanced. Step 6. Soothing toner. A calming toner sweeps gently across the skin. The redness looks reduced, the skin feels comfortable again. Balance is returning, slowly. Step 7. Moisturizer. Hydration matters more than people think. A lightweight moisturizer is applied, layer by layer. It supports the skin barrier, leaves a soft, balanced finish, and gives the face a fresh, healthy look. Step 8. Sunscreen in the morning. This step matters most. A light layer of sunscreen protects the skin through the day and helps prevent dark marks from looking worse over time. Remember, this clearer skin is not built in one night. It improves slowly with gentle care and consistency. Let's look at the full transformation. Before, clogged pores, oily buildup, rough texture, visible pimples. After, cleaner pores, smoother surface, calmer skin, a fresher, more balanced glow. Step by step, pore by pore, the skin begins to look cleaner, calmer, and healthier.